Google reviews can influence how many customers choose your business, whether you're a plumber, restaurant, retailer, or any local business. For example, if you run a plumbing business, Google reviews can directly influence how many calls you receive. Think about what happens when someone has a blocked drain, leaking pipe, broken hot water system, or an emergency plumbing problem. They usually search Google for a plumber nearby. Compare a few businesses, check the ratings, read your competitors have hundreds of strong reviews, and you could be losing customers even visit your website. So in this video, I'll show you a simple system plumbers can use to consistently generate more genuine Google reviews. The first thing you need to understand is that getting more Google reviews should not depend on luck. You need a system. Step 1 is to make it extremely easy for customers to leave a review. Instead of telling someone, please search for us on Google and leave us a review, send them a direct Google review link. The fewer steps involved, the more likely they are to actually complete the review. Step 2 is timing. Ask for the review when the customer is happiest with the service. This could be immediately after the job is completed, after the customer receives the product, after a successful appointment, or shortly after they have had with your business. Step 3 is to ask personally. A simple message works well. Thanks again for choosing us. If you are happy with our service, we'd really appreciate a quick Google review. It helps other customers find and trust our business. Then include the direct review link. Step 4 is follow-up. People are busy. Someone may genuinely want to leave you a review, but simply forget. If they haven't left a review after a few days, send one polite reminder. Do not constantly chase them. One simple follow-up can significantly increase the number of reviews you receive. Step 5 is automation. If you serve a large number of customers, manually asking every customer for a review becomes difficult. You can automate the process so that customers automatically receive an SMS or email after completing a purchase, appointment process, without relying on staff members to remember every time. And finally, respond to your reviews. Thank customers who leave positive reviews, and professionally respond to negative reviews. This shows potential customers that your business is active, professional, and genuinely cares about customer experience. The key is consistency. Don't try to get 50 reviews in 1 week and then stop. Build a system that generates genuine reviews continuously throughout the year. Every completed job is an opportunity to build trust, strengthen your reputation, and grow your business. With the right system and consistent effort, every business can build a stronger presence on Google and win more customers. This is Digifix. Subscribe for more practical digital marketing tips and leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next video.